is Autodesk. So now let's have a quick look on their background. So this one is actually a software design company where they specialize in 3D design, engineering, and also entertainment software. And they actually offer a broad range of software tools, which is computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing software, and also 3D modeling applications. So if you go onto their website, their home website, you will realize that they actually offer a very wide range of software that is design, 3D modeling related, which is really interesting in my opinion. And actually their products are being used in various industries, especially in the architecture and construction and engineering. And the company is actually, it was being founded in 1982 and they are currently based in San Francisco. So when they launched their IPO, they actually launched in 1985 with the ticker symbol ADSK. For Autodesk, their products and services are mainly used in 3 areas. So the first area is in architecture, engineering, and construction. So actually they offer tools to design early stage of the infrastructure and also on the on-site construction to make sure that the construction is being done seamlessly. And they are also used in product design and manufacturing to design various types of product by using 2D drafting. So that means on the software, they can actually draft out in a 2D manner before they decided to move on to model in a 3D manner, in a real-life manner. And of course, since they are doing 3D modeling, they might as well involve in media and also entertainment, where the creators can actually build a 3D animations from their tools as well. So for the first quarter of 2024, they actually generated about 1.27 billion of USD dollar. And we can see that architecture, engineering and construction actually took up the lion's share, which is about 46%. Then AutoCAD software itself, LT means a much more cheaper version of it. It's taking up the second part of the pie chart, followed by manufacturing and also entertainment. So now let's look at the financial statements for Autodesk. So for the past 10 years, we can see that there's a slight stagnant and so a slight drop for Autodesk. But then since 2018, the revenue has actually increasing year on year on a positive uptrend. And for their EPS, we can see that in the early years, they actually experienced certain losses before they have profit since 2020. So we can see that it's slightly increasing right now. For their operating cash flow, the trend is similar to the revenue. Since 2018, the operating cash flow has also been increasing year on year, even though they experienced certain downtrend in the early days. However, for their debt to equity ratio, Autodesk is 2.25, which is much higher. Even though the debt is very high, most likely it's because the management, they wanted to grow the company. So one way they can grow the company is to have some capital from investors, or they can actually borrow money to grow the company. As long as the management is able to pay their debt and the debt to equity ratio is going downwards, which is something we wanted to see, then we will think that the company is actually making money and they are able to pay back their debt.